Very good morning, friends. So, in the previous video lecture, we have seen the classification of vegetables and the classification of ornamental plants on the basis of different criteria. So, now we are going to see the classification of flowers on the basis of different criteria. First one is that is a classification which is based on season of growing. Then the classification based on color of flower. Third one is based on the purpose of growing, the nature of growth, mode of propagation, on the growth behavior, on the basis of photoperiodic requirement, and last one, that is classification on the basis of ability to grow. So this criteria which is we have already seen in the classification of fruits, that is based on the season of growing, that is which is classified again as winter, summer and rainy. Okay, so again these flowers are classified in the season of growing, that is winter, rainy and season. The second criteria, that is based on color of flower. On the basis of color of flower, again flowers are divided in this type. Then third one, that is purpose of growing. Okay, so on the basis of this flower are again divided on the basis of this purpose of growing. Then fourth one, that is based on the nature of growth. Again, that is the on the basis of nature growth, that is herbaceous, herbaceous or trees. The fifth one, that is based on mode of propagation. Okay, so on the basis of this, again these are divided into sexual propagation or vegetative propagation. These flowers are classified. Then the growth behavior. So on the basis of this, again flowers are classified. Then photoperiodic requirement, that is again long day plants, short day plants and day neutral plants. And based on the ability to grow, these flowers are again classified. So let's see the next classification, that is classification of spices. First one is based on growth behavior. Second one is based on life cycle. Third one is based on importance, based on part used. Then based on the utility. Sixth one is based on the cultural management. Seventh one is based on botanical relationship and the photoperiodic requirement. So spices is a fruit seed, fruit, root bark, berry or other vegetable substance primarily used for flavoring, coloring or preserving food. So spices are classified as follows, that is classification based on growth or behavior. Okay, so again same points, that is herbaceous, herbaceous and trees. In herbaceous plants, examples are coriander, onion, garlic and turmeric. In shrub, that is black pepper, and in trees example are clove, cinnamon. So this is the classification which is based on growth or behavior. Second one is classification which is based on life cycle, that is annual. Again same points, that is annual, biennial and perennial. Now we know that what is the annual, biennial and perennial. Examples of this type are coriander, fenugreek. In biennial, examples are onion, garlic, and in perennial, that is clove, cinnamon and cardamom. Third one is classification which is based on utility. Okay, so first one is a taste improving spices, that is ginger, coriander, garlic, onion, turmeric and black pepper. Second one is flavor imparting spices, that is clove, cinnamon, curry leaf and garlic, which improves the flavor of the food. The fourth classification, which is based on parts used, that is root spices, seed spices, bark spices, fruit spices, leaf spices and flower spices. So on the basis of parts used, this is classified as root, seed, bark, fruit, leaf and flower. The example of root spices are ginger, turmeric and garlic. And the example of seed spices are coriander, fenugreek and cumin. Then the bark spices are cinnamon. Fruit spices are black pepper, tamarind. Leaf spices are curry leaf. Flower spices are clove and saffron. So this is about the classification of spices, and this is all about this chapter, that is horticultural plants. So we have completed the second chapter, that is horticultural plants. In next video lecture we'll be going to start with a new chapter. So till then, stay safe, stay home and happy learning.